friend Michael and I have been trying to start a film and media company, and in order to build our audience, we've been screening movies in my backyard and pairing them with different types of food. And this week's email blast that we sent out, Michael thought it'd be funny to write a little something about me eating whatever people bring and put in front of me. It was a joke, and now people are taking it seriously and apparently are bringing weird shit for me to eat. I don't know what to expect, but I promised my friend Rachel I would get some ramen, so I'm going to do that first.
Hi.
Thank you. This week we are supposed to be frying things in a deep fryer that Michael just bought. We're gonna go shopping and purchase a bunch of stuff to fry up, which probably means that whatever people are bringing for me to eat, we'll be deep frying that also. So we had a bit of a problem with the deep fryer, and that problem is we have absolutely no idea what we're doing, and that is what we have so far.
Pudding pies.
It's funny, it's good.
Those pies are bad on their own.
Oh my god, that's so bad.
How's it going? Sick.
What the fuck? I can't eat all that.
Oh, yeah. Good. Let's see.
I was on rocks.
This is the dumbest idea.
Bad choice.
No, I don't like that. It's all greasy.
Is it good?
No.
The big one for you too, brother.
Why is it so big?
You know why. The black guy brought it. Avocado. Hey, this might actually be good though. And I made sure I put all that stuff right in the middle too, so. Make sure you get that skin. Yeah, there you go. There you go, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go crazy.
Stuffed with cream cheese and bacon and
Cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese. With bump peppers. But look hot.
Oh fuck.
Oh my god. No.
How are you doing over here?
I'm sweating in bed.
Oh, fuck. It's good though. Yours tastes
Oh. I didn't know you didn't like spicy chicken.
Oh, some cheese inside.
Good.
There's little bacon. Bacon.
Not so bad.
Holy shit.
Do the melody.
God. I never had a habanero before.
Are you crying? We need to zoom in on the
What
tears.
did you do at Woodstock while I did this?
That's why I've never had it before.
Eat the halls.
Yeah, I'm eating the halls.
Ugh.
You need my hot.
That's low-key better than the egg.
I told you to do that first. Look how you do it too.
You got it with the tongs.
You just want to drop. Oh. Why are you doing this? What are you doing?
Gross. You're gonna eat it right now. You're gonna enjoy that pie.
Yes. Leave the top off.
So we can see it.
Ew.
That's not even.